Authorities suspect to have the accident cleared up soon. For now, you might want to find an alternate route around the Whomping Willow.
Thanks for the tip, Wendy.
And now it's time for our daily Beastly report from our exceptionally interesting maxiologist, Beatrice Wisp, and her assistant, Kendra Rabnott.
This should be good.
Greetings, Alicia and Wendy. I am indeed Beatrix Wisp, renowned magizoologist and author of several self-published field guides to extraordinary animalia. This week, my steadfast assistant, Kendra, and I are navigating the part of Georgia known as Gwinnett, where we have found some exceptional examples of astonishing animals. This very day, we are scouting the skies for my favorite fowl, the whooper.
Wait, I feel like I should point out that the whooper is native to Africa, not North America.
What are you on about this time, Kendra?
I just don't think it's likely that we'd see an African bird while exploring Gwinnett, that's all.
That's an almost clever observation, Kendra. However, once again, my experience and expertise trumps your limited understanding of the order of the natural world. Whoopers may be found living wild in Africa, as you say. However, they may also be owned by licensed aviary enthusiasts such as myself, and through no fault of their own, may temporarily escape the bonds of confinement and enjoy a brief foray in the surrounding habitat. So it's up to us, careful and concerned bird owners and their assistants to relocate and retain said birds.
Wait, are you saying that you lost your whooper in the woods around here?
Certainly not. The term lost is grossly inaccurate, okay, Kendra? The whooper in question is merely misplaced. I'm sure that you and I can find him. Now hustle and help me look, okay? He's about this big, and his plumage is lime green, and he answers to the name Mr. Sneaky Pants.
Whoopers are classification XXX. It is not safe for one to be out here. Did you at least have a silencing charm on it?
No. It's my position that we shouldn't hinder the natural proclivities of the wonders of the natural world.
But the song of the whooper drives people insane, literally.
Well then, we better stop lazy loitering around and get to work finding the whooper. Chop chop!
Unbelievable.
Mr. Snooky Pants! Mr. Snooky Pants! Kendra, climb that tree! You can obtain a superior view that way! Look! I found a feather! Mr. Snooky Pants!
My, I hope they find that whooper soon.
I say their chances are excellent.
Good one, Wendy.
And that's all the news for today from Quibbler TV. I'm Wendy Lestrange.
And I'm Alicia Dawlish. Good night.